The 2026 Mini hatch combines iconic charm with modern flair, capturing attention on every street. With electric folding door mirrors for easy parking in tight spots and the John Cooper Works aerodynamic kit enhancing performance, this car is designed for those who love to drive with style and precision. Step inside to discover piano black interior trim for a sleek finish and a Napa leather steering wheel for an elegant touch. We are a family-run, independent business and the largest approved used retailer on the South Coast and offer 12-month unlimited mileage warranty. Call or visit Partridge Mini today to schedule your test drive of the 2026 Mini hatch. Speak to our team about an extended warranty, paint protection and tire and alloy protection for complete peace of mind.